Hello guys, what's up? Welcome back to my channel. My name is Shaheen. In today's video, I'm gonna show you how to add a video in Google Docs. So first of all, I'm going to Drive option. Here you can see this is a Drive option. Go to here and then find a video that you want to add in Google Docs. Here you can see it's a video. Click on three dots menu, then go to share. Again go to share. From here restricted to anyone with the link. Now copy the link and go to your Google Docs menu and then paste here. I can see it's a video. To replace with, press tab. That's it. Now it's a video. If you want to watch the video, hover over the link and then you can see the video. Click here to watch. Hello guys, that's it. I think this is helpful for you. If you think this is helpful, then don't forget to like, comment, share and subscribe. Thanks for watching.